Huh? I'm looking for Rocky. You're not Rocky. Random cat. I saw him last night when I was looking for Rocky.
I don't know what the future
Where are you
holds.
going?
Can't imagine myself growing old. Feel like the whole world's collapsing around me. I don't know what the hell to do. I think my sanity is screwed. Feel like I'm drifting alone in space. I've been falling faster. My mind is going numb. Life is a big disaster. I'm falling out of touch. I've been having nightmares as of late.
There's another cat looks just like Rocky. Rocky's, roughly that color. It's pretty dark out.
Don't think my mind will ever change. I think I might be stuck this way. I've been falling, losing hope that anything could save me. I think I might collapse real soon. Burn out and stay inside this room. I've been growing bleaker, weaker, fading every moment.
Yeah, so Rocky's looks a lot like this. His eyes are too big. He's too big. But yeah, camera quality is terrible. Well, not the quality, but my vision. How you doing, huh? Oh, hi. Nice cat. Hi. I thought you were Rocky. Another cat looked just like Rocky, but he had white paws. Rocky doesn't have white paws. So around here, I'm gonna try and put a picture up with Rocky. Yeah.